afternoon, everyone. My name is Vaibhav Mishra, and my roll number is 20MT30016. So, I am here with my DIY assignment 5, and I am going to disassemble the hair dryer. So, let us start. Let us see whether the hair dryer is in working condition or not. So, the switch is on. Let us see. The hair dryer is perfectly working. Now, let us disassemble this. I have removed the screws. Now, here we can see the designs of these parts, and basically the design is like that, says that it should get fitted into it, such that whenever someone pulls, the wire should not get pulled out of the machine. Now this is the wire connecting to the switch, where we get three options here: off, this at speed, and at max speed. Let us remove this part. We can clearly see here the funnel. Here we can see this metal strip which is used so that none of the outer particle would go inside the hair dryer. And now we came to the main part. Here these are nichrome wires, you can see clearly. And basically nichrome wires are used because these are very good conductor of electricity. So this gets very easily heated and doesn't get oxidized after heating too much also, and it cools down very quickly. So it is an advantage of this. So now here we can see this is a DC motor, and which is connected to this complicated circuit. And as we already seen that these are nichrome wires, so this is a DC motor. So uh, actually we need a DC current to run this motor. So a bridge rectifier, we can see clearly here a four-sided bridge rectifier has been made so that we could convert the power in AC supply to DC, so that this motor rotates and this fan rotates and this get heated up, and we can so that we can easily get uh, hot air. One more advantage of this nichrome wires are here we easily get uh, we don't use resistors, because we actually need very less voltage to run this DC motor. So this nichrome wires actually plays as a role of resistors too, uh, so that we could convert higher AC supply to lower DC to run this motor. And here we can also see the stiffness of this material and rigidity. We have this whole material of plastic made of polypropylene, and we get a very high advantage of this, like it doesn't get melted or something, like when introduced to higher heat or something like that. And it is also a bad conductor of electricity as well. We could see a very good design of this, so that when the air goes, when the hot air comes out of this, we will easily see, we will we will get a high pressure air. So now I am connecting all the parts of it. So I have successfully assembled the head dryer. So now let us check whether it works fine or not. This the fan is rotating and it is working well. So thank you for watching my video.